Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss how to set up branch plus company group plus date-wise targets in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module and under Branch Setup, open the Setup Branch plus Company Group plus Date-wise Targets window. First, create the company groups and save the changes. Then, move to the Company and Group Linking section. Select the required companies. Click on Refresh and press F2 in the Group column to assign the group for the entire column at once. Make sure to save the changes after linking. Next, proceed to the batch mode to define the targets. Select the branch and the company group for which the targets need to be defined. Then specify the date range, as the targets will be set on a date-wise basis. After that, define the target values in both the annual business plan target and the break-even point target value. The break-even point target represents the minimum sales required to cover all costs, resulting in no profit or loss. The annual business plan target is set above BEP and reflects the planned sales needed to generate profit and achieve business growth objectives. Once defined, save the changes. You can review the defined targets under Entry mode. To import targets from Excel sheet, click Import Targets from Excel tab. With the help of the Excel Help button, you can identify the required columns, browse the sheet, and easily import targets. As sales are recorded, reports can be generated based on actual performance. To view the target versus achievement report date-wise, navigate to the Reports and Queries section and open Customer Plus Item Sale Reports. Open Branch plus Date-wise Target versus Achievement Report. Choose the branch, brand group, and define the required date range to generate the report. This report provides a clear comparison of defined BEP and ABP targets versus achieved values on a brand group basis.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.